Samoa lo ua tunu upele Ele ngalo taimi whaingata Tumau pelo ngangana Fausia pelo va amalosi Mana tua bea so anamua Mana tua bea so anamua Fa'alo alo I tangata matutua Fa'alo alo I tangata matutua Fa'avai hoile atua Awa lava e te fo I itua Talo vahe For imai
We have two very special guests here today. Virginia Joseph, CEO and founder of Worldwide Safety. She is a very dynamic woman, and in a few minutes I'm going to ask her to come up. Also here is Dr. Gil Antai, another amazing man, a mover in our community, CEO and founder for the Tanaka Bill Davis Trust Fund. So we thank you very much for coming all the way out, especially Virginia, coming all the way from Las Vegas. But I think that you guys are going to enjoy what she has to tell us today.
Talofa. E moana siri vinga mai whaktais marangi o na lea no matamo whia no whainga tātou poto ai na lea no matamo whia a wā ni whanau ma o oma whapena gato wa ai mana lumanai mo na oni gato aina whapapea po I no tātou atu successful, we have to go back to school. And I didn't listen to that. And I'm glad I didn't because otherwise I would be working 9-to-5 job. So you have to make sure that you work hard. You know, that saying, the scriptures say faith without works is dead. And that's really true. You have to believe in it and you have to believe in yourself that you can do it. And you can accomplish anything in life. Even if your family never achieved it or people are not known for it because
This dynamic man was when he came and basically created San Diego. So I hope you'll tell us a little bit more about that, Dr. Gill. And so without further ado, please welcome Dr. Gill.
Talofa. Hi, Ted. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Samoa. Thank you all for being here. And I'm very honored to be here to share this. I'm a very, very big believer in education. That is the only way we can catch up with the holidays and just make ourselves present. But more important, it is because we do it for our family and ourselves. And so I've always been supportive of TSA when it started. Doreen, Rita, remember how we started way back? To sort of watch these 4 years go by and to see now how far you've been. And I'm so proud of what you've done.
You don't go say hi to them sometime today, you better take that chance. I know I will. I'll go get out there, we go get that for sure. So, totally. How about another hand for other guests, please. No. Samuel, come on,
push it forward. Don't let the negative, or don't let the stress and all that. It's good stress. Look, 5 students are gonna be going on to scholarships and, you know, do well and be successful for our community. Okay? And more na amin pagtayo ng iingay tua ile papinado na for my day at tato le manuia ele papel na tato ele fale dal papel yai na ia ito swan mai de ora man halos ya tato. First recipients will be Tahia Case.
Hi. Sorry, let me see here. I'll be attending the University of Nevada in Reno, and then I graduated from Grossmont High School, which isn't too far from here in San Mesa. My plans are to major in business, marketing, and then I want to do a minor in journalism, broadcast, and I will be cheering for my school, so that's really exciting.
Accepting the award for her today. Yeah, she can say a few words about her.
Thank you, Ethan. And thank you. This is Brianna Tuatasi, Randy's sister, and Samoa Tuatasi, her father, sitting right there. Thank you so much for the scholarship. Brandy is attending Stanford. She's starting her 3rd year there. She performs on their track and field team, throwing shot put and discus. This past year, she was the only female participant on their shot put and discus team. She just got back from South Africa, where she was part of a program that was going to provide public service to help educate the children there, the underserved children, as well as coaching them in different sports. Last year, she had petitioned to have the Samoan language taught at Stanford, which is the first time it's ever been taught at the university. 2 months ago, she had produced a concert on campus as part of the Pacific Islander Student Association, where they had Into Season and Correg and Stone Juice all performing free for the students on campus there.
His mom will be saying something about it.
And a son of a mother who is of Samoan descent and a father of Mexican-American descent. I have 2 younger siblings and a very loving family. I have just completed my 1st year at Cal Poly Humboldt and with a major in environmental science and management and a minor in forestry. I've been abundantly fortunate to receive a scholarship from the Samoan Association of San Diego. My family and I are very grateful for this opportunity. College life has been filled with many new adventures and has developed my interest in furthering a career.
Hi, my name is Saleh Alua. I will be attending my 1st year at Mount San Jacinto Community College in the fall with a major in psychology and a minor in philosophy. Yeah, thank you.
To receive the scholarship because me and my sister were talking about how there's so many limitations on Samoan kids about, just venturing off into their future. So I feel like with this scholarship, it will definitely allow me to explore more options in the future. I'm so thankful again once again to the Samoan Association for allowing me to apply and for giving me the scholarship. So that being said,
One more round of applause for our recipients.
At this time, I'd like to call up Prez and our honored guests to stand right here. We're going to present certificates to our recipients. Step on left. Start with the committee chair and the president. There we go. Mr. there we go. We got the flow going. All right. And you can stand right there, right next to Gil. Okay. Our second recipient, Brandy Atotasi. And mom and sister. Oh, that's smile. Oh man, I don't know about you guys. I'm excited. Wow. Great. And Beth and sister, if I can have you stand between Gil and Virginia. Okay. Because we're going to get a group picture in there and sister as well. So let's slide down a little bit. There we go. All right. And our next recipient, Adonai Ma'a, with your spirit, brother. Okay. Kebeti Inones. Then I think we'll have, yeah, let's go right there. Okay. And then, last but not least, Saleh. How we doing? All right, and as Saleh's going through there, I just wanted to mention Brandy Atotasi is receiving the donation from Virginia 25, the Worldwide Safety Scholarship Award. How about a hand for Brandy again? And then Alina is receiving the donation from Dr. Gil Arta and Kanaka Bill Davis Scholarship Award.
Thank you, brother, for everything. A little backstory between me and Brother Tom. Again. So, me and Tom, we lived in the same house in Torrance back in 85, 86, I don't know. Let's sort of take over after here. We lived together back then in Torrance. And who was true? Nobody knows what's going on in the future. But it's so beautiful that almost 40 years later, me and Tom lived together back in Torrance in the 80s, that he gave me a scholarship to my daughter. And that's just a pretty good thing of beauty to be able to cross paths with somebody back 40 years ago and to come over here at this day and be able to do this. But thank you everybody to Samoan Association. We thank you, Jay, everybody, Rita. Thank you so much, everybody, for everything you've done for our community and for the people, the young generation. Thank you.